You've made a life-changing decision for your health. Now it's time to fuel your body with the right foods. After bariatric surgery, your meals should be high in protein, low in carbs, and easy to digest. But that doesn't mean they have to be boring. Today, I'll share delicious bariatric-friendly meals from breakfast to dinner and show you exactly how to prepare them. Let's get started. Ricotta and berry protein toast, a creamy, satisfying breakfast. Ingredients: 1 slice low-carb or whole grain bread, 1/4 cup ricotta cheese, 1/4 cup mixed berries, blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries, half a teaspoon honey, optional, a pinch of cinnamon. How to make it: toast the bread lightly, spread ricotta cheese on top, add fresh berries and drizzle with a tiny bit of honey, sprinkle with cinnamon and enjoy. Why it works. Ricotta is high in protein but easy to digest, while berries provide fiber and antioxidants. Smoked salmon and egg roll-ups, a nutrient-dense, no-carb breakfast. Ingredients: 2 eggs beaten, 2 ounces smoked salmon, 1 tablespoon cream cheese or Greek yogurt for a lighter option, 1 teaspoon chopped chives, a pinch of salt and pepper. How to make it: cook eggs into a thin omelet and let cool. Spread cream cheese on top, lay smoked salmon over the omelet, then sprinkle chives. Roll up tightly and slice into bite-sized pieces. Why it works. Eggs and salmon provide protein and omega-3s, supporting muscle recovery and heart health. Tuna and avocado stuffed tomatoes, a refreshing, protein-rich meal. Ingredients: 1 large tomato, half an avocado, mashed, half a cup canned tuna in water drained, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, a pinch of salt and pepper. How to make it: cut the top off the tomato and scoop out the insides. Mix mashed avocado, tuna, lemon juice, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Fill the tomato with the mixture and enjoy. Why it works. Tuna and avocado provide lean protein and healthy fats, making this meal satisfying but light. Warm quinoa and chicken salad, a high-protein, gluten-free option. Ingredients: half a cup of cooked quinoa, half a cup of shredded rotisserie chicken, a 1/4 cup of diced cucumbers, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and a squeeze of lemon juice. How to make it: mix all ingredients in a bowl. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. Toss and enjoy warm or chilled. Why it works. Quinoa is a plant-based protein with fiber to support digestion, and chicken keeps you full for longer. Lemon herb shrimp with cauliflower rice, a light, flavorful seafood dish. Ingredients: half a cup of cauliflower rice, half a cup of shrimp, peeled and deveined, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of lemon zest, and a pinch of salt and pepper. How to make it: heat olive oil in a pan and sauté shrimp with garlic powder, lemon zest, salt, and pepper for 3 minutes. In another pan, sauté cauliflower rice for 2 minutes. Serve shrimp over cauliflower rice and enjoy. Why it works. Shrimp is low in fat but high in protein, while cauliflower rice keeps carbs low without sacrificing texture. Turkey and cheese stuffed peppers, a satisfying low-carb alternative to pasta dishes. Ingredients: 1 bell pepper halved and seeded, half a cup of ground turkey, a 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a 1/4 cup of sugar-free marinara sauce. How to make it: cook ground turkey with onion powder and Italian seasoning. Stir in marinara sauce and simmer for 3 minutes. Fill bell pepper halves with the turkey mixture and sprinkle mozzarella on top. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes until cheese melts. Why it works. Bell peppers add vitamins and fiber, while turkey provides lean protein to keep you full longer. Deviled egg and Greek yogurt bites, a healthier take on deviled eggs. Ingredients: 1 hard-boiled egg, 1 teaspoon of Greek yogurt instead of mayo, a 1/4 teaspoon of mustard, a pinch of paprika. How to make it: cut the egg in half and remove the yolk. Mash yolk with Greek yogurt, mustard, and paprika. Fill egg whites with the mixture and enjoy. Why it works. Greek yogurt adds protein and probiotics, making this a gut-friendly snack. Almond butter and banana bites, a sweet, protein-rich snack. Ingredients: half a banana sliced into rounds, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, a sprinkle of chia seeds. How to make it: spread almond butter onto banana slices, sprinkle with chia seeds and enjoy. Why it works. Bananas provide natural energy, while almond butter adds healthy fats and protein. Final tips for success. 1. Chew slowly and eat mindfully. Take small bites and chew thoroughly to help digestion and prevent discomfort. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 64 ounces of water daily, but avoid drinking 30 minutes before or after meals to prevent bloating. 3. Stay consistent and keep it fun. Try different flavors and mix up recipes to stay motivated and excited about your meals. Final call to action. Want 15 more exclusive bariatric-friendly recipes to help you stay on track and enjoy every bite? Sign up for my newsletter and get exclusive new recipes every month. Expert bariatric health tips, support to keep you strong and energized. Click the link below, grab your bonus recipes, and let's make 2025 your healthiest year yet. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.